Hello guys, so it's me again, Fatima Adnan. So today we buying this one, this one iron stand, and then this sofa, this three sofa. Yes, this is three sofa. I don't know you can see guys. Oh, yan. Yes, this one. This. Yes, guys, this is today. Today we buy this three sofa for my home. This one. Oh my God! Cannot see that if I see. Yes, guys, this is. Oh my God! I can sit here. Nice, but some dirty. Yes, guys. This we buy this, and then more. My husband and my father-in-law go for buy the bed, and then when he come back, so I show you guys. This is my sofa. Wow, nice sofa. My God. So now I'm alone here in home. I want to do something but I feel head pain, so I take rest, something like that. Just so much hot. Yes, guys. So much hot, so much. Oh my God. I want to clean the room, but I feel tired today for today's video. So that's it. So maybe tomorrow I will clean. I feel tired because it may be hot. I don't know. And this iron stand is look big. Yes. And this also. This also. My husband buy for me. If electric go, so I'm not feel hot. And then yeah. Uh, this yes. So now I can sit here. Yes. I can sit, I can relax in. So now guys, I feel head pain so much. I want to fix. I hope my husband come back quickly because I feel something. Yes. I feel tired. Oh my God, I feel sleeping. Maybe if I feel sleeping, so if I sleep, maybe my head pain become removed. But I don't know. Oh my God. This is my sofa. Look. Oh my God. Last time we go my husband not bring her mobile, and I'm also not bring my small mobile, so I don't know where we go. But finally we find the home, and finally we meet the owner of this sofa, and then we buy Then we bring here in home. Yes. Uh, my bite of mosquito. Who's that? The biting of mosquito is. And also we buy something. We buy pillow, we buy bed sheets, and I'm also buy my um, t-shirts and trouser. We buy also for for me and for my husband. We buy white t-shirt to for my husband, to for me, and then I buy uh, trouser for me. Yes. Oh, oh my God. So now guys, I need bye-bye. I feel, oh my God. Okay guys, please support my YouTube channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like. So Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.